Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rocket Giotto Evo R espresso machine. This heat exchanger rotary pump machine was brought here to us because it was tripping the GFCI as soon as you plug it in, basically. And it took us a while to figure it out. We basically had to disassemble the entire machine, get in there and check every single thing in every single electronic component of their machine to figure out what was the one causing the machine to trip the breaker. We found out first that the switch was tripping the breaker, but then after we installed a new switch, the one that you see right here, we also found out that the heating element, this one that you see right here, was tripping the breaker. We really tested everything else and made sure that our machine was working so fine. The machine was working fine and we couldn't find anything else, so we replaced the heating element and we replaced the power switch on this machine. Now the machine has been on for quite a while and it's been stable, not doing any funny noises, nothing like that. It's been keeping a thermal temperature of 1.2 bars stable, and it's just been working great so far. It hasn't tripped the breaker or anything at all, as you can see from the red light, the green light that you see right there. So starting with one shot on espresso, we're gonna test this machine out, then we're gonna use the steam and then the hot water. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, as we are using a bottomless portafilter. This one is a little bit more tricky to get it right, as it needs to be a very precise grind and needs to be tampered extremely well. So hopefully I did a good job at doing that. Otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee beer dripping, or the worst case we're gonna see everything splattering around the group head. So let's pull the lever. As you can see, it's going to be on the longer side. I probably tampered a bit too harder on this. We're using our Lady Bianca grind. So it's a very fine grind. Even so, you can still see the crema getting extracted. You can see a nice steady stream coming out of the portafilter, so it's not splattering all over the place. That means I tampered pretty good. Focus, there you go. The shot is increasing in volume as well. And as the shot continues to pull up, it's going to increase the flow of the portafilter, and we can stop it right here, as that is like around 2 ounces shot. As you can see, a little bit over extracted. I probably need to tamper a little bit less harder than that, but we got a good coffee, cup of coffee coming out of the machine. Really thick crema, looking great. And for the steam, you can see working amazing. Nice steam, really good pressure working over here. And hot water working extremely great and with a really good temperature. Boiler filling up, water pump activating, everything working fine. So there you have it, Rocket Giotto Evo R, not tripping the breaker, having a new heating element, a new power switch in there. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please, excuse me. Please subscribe to the channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.